Hello everyone, welcome back to Khmerue Teams Official Channel. Today I'm CHUOY again and I will take you or show you how to keep virus apps inside your PC or Windows OS. It is an emergency method that makes you completely remove um, the virus inside your computer. So let's get started. The first, you need to go to the start or the window, have a start button and searching button like this, or press Ctrl or to find. And then you're gonna type or T like this. The software is already installed inside your PC version. All Windows PC, they have this software inside. No one is gonna install that, so it is a default app inside the PC. So go ahead and click MTR like this, and next you're gonna click on the next here, and quick scan or full scan is depending on you. When you click on the quick scan, it means something that it's not completely scanned very well, but it can help you to protect it from them. But when you're running in the full scan, it can take you deep cleaning of antivirus that hiding inside your PC drive. So today I'm gonna show you the first way that choose the quick scan here, and then you need to wait about 15 minutes or longer depending on your PC speed. So here is you can see that it is scanning now, and this method is only help you for the emergency way that for example in your PC have been stuck antivirus program, or the virus have been attacking your antivirus program. So this is the last method that it is a really emergency to protect it from those malware or spyware or any virus software that is running inside your PC. So our PC Windows, they have the software that called Microsoft Windows malicious software remove walls tool. All Windows versions have these apps, so you don't need to pay or buy or install any other antivirus uh, to this PC. For example, in my PC I'm using the Microsoft security is installed here, but when the virus have been attacked, uh, the software you will cannot do anything with that. So this one is the last way that gonna help you back from removing all those virus. So I think this video is very helpful, and after it has been already completed scanning, it will showing you the delete button or remove button from inside the PC version. And you can see here there is no malicious software was detected. But if you have, you will see the button that you really can delete it from the PC. So thank you for watching my video tutorial.